Welcome back to Adventures with Paw Paw. This is day 5 in the woods. Told you, hey, perfection takes time. I'm just looking for the right one to drag out. Hopefully, that buck is going to cruise by me tonight. So, we'll see. You can see, hey, bluebird skies. It's November 26th. Yeah, November 26th. It's 63 degrees. It's breezy. A little breezy today. I might hunt the back because there's really nothing coming out up front. A couple does here and there. But, yeah. Hey, it's day 5. Let's get in the stand. Well, I just decided the wind's blowing out of, I don't know, out of the north. And it's not favorable for me to hunt in the back anyway because it's blowing right into the woods. So I'm going to hunt this corner and where I've been seeing most of the does. So hopefully something comes cruising through. And this here is that game stick that I was talking about. It broke. And check this out. Look, you take this and you mount this, and you mount that right there on your scope, and you put your cell phone right on it. And I like it. I like it. Gives me another camera view right down the crossbow shaft. So, all right, I'm gonna put this on and get in my stand. There it is, mounted on the bow. You mount it right on the scope. That's where I mount it. And then what you do is you push this button right here. Oh, hold on. You push this button right there, and that opens up, and you put your cell phone right in there, and you squeeze this down and it tightens up around it, and then you put a rubber band around and hold your cell phone. So, all right, I'm getting up in my stand. See, there's the view that I get, and it's lined up right when I look through my scope. I can zoom this in. I can zoom it out. And that's now mounted on my bow. All right, well, as you seen, there was 4 does that came in. Maybe a button buck. But I was waiting to see if something else came in behind them. You know, that monster buck. But as you can see behind me, sun setting. Doesn't look like anything else is going to be coming in. So that might be a wrap for day 5. Still got a little bit more light to go. So I'll sit it out. If not, hey, if this is the last that you see of this video, then I'll see you on day 6. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe, because my season's not over yet.